bowler missing his line here, and that's why. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Hit on the body, it's a nasty delivery.
That is an aggressive field in place. I like how they're going for wickets at this stage.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, that must have really hurt. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one. Wide ball signalled by the umpire. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. That has made some serious damage. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. And he helps himself to a 6. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Good leave.
There is a fielder at the extra cover.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That's 6. He picked up the length very early. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is a very quick signal taken.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Oh, shot, but only a single. Pacer introduced from the other end.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Nudges it for a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Bang! Into the gap for four. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
They would definitely have a score in their minds.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for six. Pacer introduced from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That's poor running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
Can you do it again?
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. They should look at varying their pace a bit. It is getting too easy for the batsman. That is a very quick signal taken. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Last ball of the innings coming up. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The wicket has played out very well here with a little bit of help for the bowlers initially. Unable to break free. Missed that completely.